this is my shit that I came with. I'm not no broke. I got plenty of shit. I got shit in this store and everything. I know my information. Susan B. Anthony. I know my information. Lisa Simpson. I know my information. Michelle Austin. I'm on TV. Have you ever seen Step by Step? I mean, I got plenty of names, baby. I came to life with a name.
We need one that you were born with.
Name.
I need the one you were born with.
Susan B. Susan B. Anthony.
Inside a large American retail store, officers respond to a loss prevention call reporting suspected shoplifting. Within 8 minutes, this suspect will insist she has more than 20 legal government names. Among those she offers Lisa Simpson, Marge Simpson, and the 19th century suffragist Susan B. Anthony.
Stop. What are you doing with all your stuff in the bag? All the stuff you're concealing in bags?
I came with bags in here.
That's not what the LP's saying.
I don't know. I haven't had any problems the whole time I've been here. I'm just riding around, looking around.
Okay, well, they're saying that you're putting merchandise and stuff in your bag. Are you planning on paying for any of that?
Of course.
Do you have money on you?
Of course, I have cash on me. This some lady was following me around when I got here.
Okay, so is this all merchandise from the store then?
No, this is my shit that I came with. I'm not no broke bitch. I got plenty of shit. I got shit in this store and everything.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have anything on me.
Do you have a SOCH on you? Do you have a SOCH?
I don't have none of that.
Why not?
I mean, what's the problem?
They're claiming right now the shoes that you have on your feet, you got in storage.
I did do that. I always do that. I always put something on my feet. I got shoes.
Okay.
It was this lady right here in jeans. It was a couple of them. I don't know.
Okay, well, that's loss prevention, and they've been watching you put stuff in bags.
I haven't put anything in my bag. I put these shoes on. That's about it. Is it a problem? Did I do anything to you? You know me?
I don't know you yet.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I don't have anything. I mean, I don't have my information on me, but everybody knows who I am. I mean,
I don't know who you are.
I don't know what the stalking is about. I don't know what the problem is about. I'm not no disrespectful person. Yes, I do change my motherfucking shoes.
Now, they're saying you also put merchandise underneath your shirt. Do you have anything on you?
I don't have nothing on me. I don't have nothing on me. I mean, the camera is a rolling thing. I'm not no bum. If I needed anything, I'm going to give it whether I had cash or not. I'm not going to play myself, disrespect myself. I don't know what the problem is. I mean, probably don't like me. Like I said, probably jealous of me. I don't fuck around with no dangerous information, but I shop.
Alright, so they're not going to allow you to pay for anything that you selected, okay? And they want you to trespass from the store.
That's fine.
Okay, so what's your information? I need your SOCH.
My name is Stephanie Smith. I don't know my social. I don't go by my social.
Alright, so you have a pair of shoes you can put on?
Yeah, I got the shoes I can put on. She can get these and shove them up her ass. Put them on.
Just to clarify again, you don't have anything on your person from the store.
No.
Because they're going to go back and watch footage, and if they don't have it in those bags...
Shit of her. That she came past and said, little ugly. That's what I heard that woman say.
I'm just letting you know, if you have any merchandise on you and you leave the store, you'll have a warrant put out for your arrest.
I don't care. I haven't passed the sales of merchant.
yes, I'm saying if you have anything on your person right now,
sir, I didn't have shit. I got this. What he's pointed at. So other than that, I was just carrying in this. I usually carry a basket. A little jealous of me. Get your shit. I wasn't stealing it. This is mine.
That's not yours.
This is mine.
No, it's not.
This is already wore.
Okay.
This is mine. This was already on there. I just had all of this is mine. This is my shit.
Okay, well, first off, we got another problem. You gave me a fake name, so if you want to get charged...
I know my name.
Okay, if you want to get charged with falsification, then tell me your right name.
My name is Stephanie. I got my ID. I got several wallets, several IDs.
Okay, well, I asked you for that earlier.
I got my information. Michelle Austin. I know my name. I got several names. I don't just have one name. I have several names, sir. I don't have to lie about shit.
All right, we heard you the first couple of times.
I can give you all my information. I don't have an ID. I have my information, my birth certificate.
Okay,
I got my birth certificate.
Okay, let's see that. Any type of official ID.
Can you get them shirts, please? I don't want no motherfucking trouble over this bull. I got cash. My father got plenty of money. I got plenty of money. I came in here with that. I just wore that shit yesterday. I know my fake name. I know my name. I can give you 20 names. All of them is mine.
Well, I want the one that's your legal government name.
All of them are my legal government names.
Okay, well, I need a real name.
I can give you any name. Michelle is my real name. Michelle Austin. Lisa Simpson. That's mine. That's mine. You can look on camera. That's mine. I didn't put that in my bag. That's mine. That's mine. Look on camera. I already gave you, which I gave you. My family. You can call my
152. We'll have one detained.
Can you give me that?
Once they confirm it's not stolen, you can have it back.
Get the shirt and get my bow.
Huh?
Can you get my shirt and get my bow? Can you get that bow for me?
Can you give me your real name?
I just told you.
Ma'am,
It's
we're really
Susan
not
Bean.
trying to give you a hard time.
I know my real motherfucking name. I'm on TV. I don't have no reason to lie.
Okay.
I know my
all right,
real name.
Whatever legal
I
documentation
can give you
that
Mark
have.
Simpson, Lisa Simpson. I know all my motherfucking names. Susan B. Anthony, all my names.
I'm
Ain't
looking through
nothing
this.
in
I'm
here.
looking through this one too.
This is my shit.
Okay, well you had stolen goods in the other
She
one.
got my bowl in her hand.
Okay, well,
Get
you
my
just
bowl.
You just had a stolen shirt on, okay, first of all. So
It
we're gonna
don't
make
matter.
sure- it
She's
doesn't
not
matter.
keeping that bowl.
If it's yours, we'll give it back to you. They're confirming on the
Bitch.
Do you have an ID?
No, I don't carry ID. Is that the problem?
Yes, because we need to identify.
It doesn't matter. I got my own shit.
What is your legal name?
I just told you. Is you jealous of it?
You told us 20 different
You
names.
I know my name. I got 20 different
Your
names. I
legal
got
name
100 different
on your
names.
birth certificate.
I don't.
You
I
have
got
20 names on a
my
birth certificate.
legal name on my birth. Yes, I do. I know my birth names.
I'm telling you, you don't. You keep lying to us. You
I
say
don't
you don't have
have to
anything
lie.
on
Is you jealous of me? I
Jealous?
know my information.
Obviously, you
I
don't
know
because you
my
won't give it to
information.
us.
Susan B. Anthony. I know my information. Lisa Simpson. I know my information. Michelle Austin. I'm on TV. Have you ever seen
So-
Step by Step?
Here's the thing. Okay,
You
so as of
understand me?
now, with you being trespassed from the store,
Yeah.
you need to identify who you are.
You can put Lisa Simpson.
If you do not identify
I-
yourself,
what
you will
do you
be
want me to
arrested
say?
for obstruction.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. I mean, you can do that because I'm not gonna give you no. I'm not gonna disrespect myself and give you no other name.
Okay, well, the name you gave us, we had them run it, and
I
it doesn't
don't
come back
care.
to anybody.
Your computer can't tell me my information. My father,
It can.
Stefan, can come right here, right now. I know my information. I don't have to tell nobody information.
Okay, right. So right now you were getting trespassed.
Okay. So
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay, so if you give me a
Can you
name,
give me my bowl, please?
no, it's not yours.
That's not mine.
That's hers.
Okay.
I know my information. I don't have to say from y'all.
If I give you the bowl-
I don't give a fuck about that. I ain't no disrespectful
Well,
person.
I need a name.
I just gave it to you. What you want? What you want me to say? Are you jealous of my name? I mean, everybody knows my name. Put Mara Simpson, Susan B. I mean, I got plenty of names, baby. I came to life with a name.
We need one
I know
that you
my
were born
fucking
with.
Name.
I need the one you were born with.
Susan B. Susan B. Anthony. You can say any name. My brother is Gerard Smith. My husband is Gerard Smith. I know my motherfucking information.
So right now you are being detained
Okay,
until you
that's
give me a
fine.
real name.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Nope. Just sit down.
Can I
Just
put
sit
my
down.
shoes on?
That's what you were doing. I didn't.
I just gave you this shit back. I just told you everything.
Okay, well, just put your shoes on.
Oh, girl, get away from me.
Okay. So if they walk away, will you give me a real name?
Why you so jealous of me?
I'm not.
I'm talking to these bitches.
Sit down. Just sit
I
down.
put my shoes on. I don't want to sit down. You said I was getting arrested. I gave you that shit
I did
back.
not say you were getting
I
arrested.
know my motherfucking information.
Can you tell me it?
I just told you. I gotta give you all my information, bitch. My shit is in the stores. You see this? I know my motherfucking information. Michelle Austin. I know my information.
What's the birthday for Michelle Austin? This is the
I
last
told
name
you
that
I
we're
was
gonna
born
run.
in '84. I'm about to be 30-something years, 39
Michelle
years
Austin.
old.
No, we're hooking her for obstruction.
152. Copy one more name and date of birth. First name's gonna be Michelle. Last name's gonna be Austin.
Can you put that stuff back in that bag? Because she's not keeping my shit. Jealous ass geekers. Damn, what you want me to say?
I want you to give me a real name.
I did. Is you jealous? What you want me my name to be?
Affirm. You're clear.
All right, man, stand up for me.
Can I have my stuff
Nope,
or you
stand
gonna
up.
leave it?
Stand up.
Can I put my shoes
No.
on? I didn't give you her shoes back. I just want to put
I'm
my
telling
shoes
you right
on.
now.
Before the handcuffs come out, 3 Supreme Court decisions define exactly what just happened. The initial contact is anchored in Terry versus Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968. Terry permits brief investigative detention when reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity exists. A trained loss prevention officer's direct observation of concealment satisfies that legal threshold. When the suspect admits on camera to wearing unpaid store merchandise, suspicion ripens into probable cause. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, custodial arrest is constitutional. This holds true even for minor, non-jailable offenses, provided probable cause supports the arrest. The pivotal legal moment arrives the instant the officer requests identification and a social security number. Under Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, decided in 2004, A lawfully detained suspect must disclose their name. This obligation does not violate the Fourth or Fifth Amendments. Silence on identity is not constitutionally protected. Providing a false name during a lawful detention is a separately chargeable criminal offense in most jurisdictions. Offering cartoon characters and historical figures as legal names completes every element of obstruction of a public officer. The required mental state, knowing intent to hinder identification, is proven by the sheer implausibility of the aliases.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I put my shoes on, please?
I've given you enough
I had
chance.
shoes, or I gave you her shoes.
I've given you enough
I
time.
didn't do nothing, though.
Yes, you did.
I just want to put my shoes on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I please put my shoes on
Put
first?
your shoes on once you're handcuffed. Stand up.
So what, I gotta walk out here with no shoes
Well,
on?
put your shoes on before we take you outside.
I cooperated with you. Can I just please put my shoes on first?
Stand up.
Can I please put my shoes on? I didn't say I wasn't going to stand up. Can I just put my, can you put them on, dear?
No.
Why not?
We'll put them on before you go outside.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can you please
Wait,
get my bags, please? Because I don't have that
Put
much.
your hands behind your back.
I didn't say I wouldn't. Don't assault
Quit
me.
tensing
Don't assault
up.
me.
I'm telling you right now.
Why am I going to jail? I gave you that shit back.
Go down your knees.
Where?
Go down your knees.
Why? Why are you disrespecting me,
But
sir?
you won't let us put a handcuff on.
I didn't say that. I'm trying to get my shoes on.
You want to add another charge?
No.
You're
You wanna add-
obstructing.
I'm just trying to put my shoes on. Damn. Why you always disrespecting me? Because I can't get... I'm not fighting.
You're not.
I'm not. I'm just want... Ouch. I'm not fighting, sir.
Stop.
He keep grabbing me.
All right, walk.
I just want to put some shoes on.
Walk.
You missed that opportunity.
Walk.
I didn't do nothing. Can you not do that? Can I put my jacket on?
Walk.
I'm just putting my jacket on.
I've given you enough opportunities.
I gave you my name. Get my bag. Get my bag.
Go to my car.
You car. Give me my stuff. Oh, you jealous ass motherfucker. This motherfucker right here is jealous. Why y'all so jealous of me? I should have just punched this bitch in his face.
You want to add another charge?
He is jealous of me. When I get down to this jail, I'm gonna have my people smack the fuck out of you. I want to smack the fuck out of y'all. Don't mace me. Get this mace out my pocket, matter of fact. Can you get the mace out my pocket?
We're going to. Pat her down real quick.
Pat me down for what? I didn't do shit.
Going to jail.
For what? For what? Don't assault me. Don't assault me. I have a shoot the f out of you.
You have anything on you that's going to stick
No,
your
I don't have no weapons or nothing.
Okay, where's the mace at? Turn this way.
I told him it's in my pocket. I've been cooperative, telling y'all everything, and you still gonna take me to jail?
You haven't been cooperative.
Man, you sorry.
I didn't tell anything.
I don't know you. It's right here.
So it's in the jacket.
Put my shoes on, please.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
All right. Can
Get
I
in-
ask you something?
What?
Why am I going to
Because
jail?
you can't tell me your real name.
I did tell you my information,
Sit down.
but I did, sir.
Go in the car.
I did though. Can you get my bags?
Sit down.
Why can't I have my bags?
We'll get your stuff. Sit down.
Why am I getting detained?
You're not detained at this point. You're in custody.
In custody for what?
So you can't tell us your real name.
I told you.
She's not going to put it
Give
on.
me my family. Get away from me.
I'm going to go ahead and read her the rights. Although she ain't going to want to hear it, but...
Booger Hunter Jane Doe.
Alright, ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in a court of law.
I should have spit on you, bro. You better get the f away from me.
Do you understand these rights that have been read to you?
I just spit on you in your mother face.
Break your mother nose, bitch. Bitch, you just don't leave my shit in there, bitch, so I can smell it.
When you open this door, I'm spitting dead in your face. Shut them shorts.
I'll be en route to Greene County. If you can advise them, she's going to be uncooperative.
That's probably your family, but I'm gonna spit on you.
I don't believe in jail or none of that, my I don't believe in jail.
She's Jane Doe at this point, so she might have stuff in her pants, stolen merchandise, we don't know yet. We didn't have a female to get up.
Y'all motherfuckers should have been going in there getting some a outfit.
I don't give a f about none of you motherfuckers.
The body cam ends there. Now for the force analysis, the additional charges, and the final grades. The physical arrest is measured against Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable at the moment of decision, judged from the officer's own perspective. 3 Graham factors govern severity of the offense: immediate threat, and active resistance or flight. Here, force is limited to wrist control and mechanical restraint, with no strikes, no takedown, and no less lethal deployment. The response is proportionate to passive verbal resistance and reflects textbook use of force discipline. The pepper spray canister recovered during search, combined with explicit spitting threats, triggers additional criminal exposure. In most American states, threatening to spit on a peace officer constitutes felony assault, not a summary offense. Booking under the placeholder name Jane Doe reflects standard practice when identity cannot be verified. Fingerprint results and prior contact databases will later replace the placeholder in the permanent record. One legal thread deserves attention. The behaviors on display match several crisis intervention team training indicators. This does not immunize criminal conduct, but may affect competency determinations under applicable state law. On the report card, the arresting officer earns an A- for articulate procedure and disciplined force. The suspect earns a D because every off-ramp offered, from trespass warning to final detention advisement, was rejected. The department earns a B, with clear room to grow on earlier crisis intervention team engagement. 3 takeaways from this footage. First, refusing to identify during a lawful detention is not a constitutional right. In most American jurisdictions, false identification is itself a separately chargeable criminal offense. Second, patience is a tactical asset. An 8-minute verbal runway prevented every physical escalation the suspect invited. Third, recognizing a possible mental health episode requires no diagnosis, only disciplined focus on the lawful objective. Let us know in the comments if there is another interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.